Internet Marketer Training Channel by George Pierce presents a new tool that will help your channel get more views. Hi everyone, thanks for watching. This video is about a new feature that TubeBuddy has recently added. The feature is called Suggested Shorts, and you are about to see how to use it, and how it can help your channel get more views, right away, and for free. If you are not familiar with TubeBuddy, it is a free extension that provides you with a whole suite of tools that you can use to help you with your YouTube channel. Suggested Shorts is TubeBuddy's newest tool. If you are not yet using TubeBuddy, you will find a link for this free set of tools in the description. Once you install TubeBuddy, you will see a TubeBuddy icon near the top right of your web page whenever you visit YouTube. Go ahead and click on the icon, and a drop-down will appear. Next, click on Suggested Shorts. A list of suggested shorts will appear, as you can see. So far, so good, but here is where TubeBuddy's new tool, Suggested Short, goes over the top. If you look a little closer, you will see that Suggested Shorts tells you and me the exact segment of the video that we should focus on, along with the retention rate. For example, notice a retention rate over 100%. What this means is that people are literally watching this segment more than once. In other words, TubeBuddy is handing us the information that we need to create compelling shorts. It is doing this for free and on a golden platter. Our next steps are to go to the video, clip out the segment, change our format to 9:16, and make a short. According to TubeBuddy, add a link to the original video in the description. Mr. P recommends that you also add text in your short that lets your viewers know that they will find a link to the full-length version in the description. The way that this strategy helps your channel is that YouTube Shorts typically get a lot of views, and by using this new tool, you and I can use the most compelling parts of our videos for our shorts and, of course, send those viewers to our original video. Your chances are very good that viewers will click through to your full-length video, and they are also more likely to watch it for a longer time. This short strategy is a shorts trick to help you grow your YouTube channel. However, the fact that TubeBuddy can pinpoint the exact hottest parts of our videos gives us a powerful advantage. If you are finding value in this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Thank you. If this kind of content is of interest to you, join the channel so Mr. P will let you know when new videos are uploaded. Thank you for watching. Watch this video next.